Hello again, this is March. We are working on the slurs in measure 43. Video 1 was stopping your bow. I'm trying to divide the bow evenly for when we go to do the slurs. Step 2, we're just going to go right to the notes, but no slurs yet. So in measure 43, we have G, F sharp, E, and D. So I'm going to get my third finger set, and I'm going to do separate bows. I'm going to play G, F sharp, E, D. And let's see if we can do that a couple of times in a row. Ready, play. Reset, reset, reset. So at that point, you should be able to play 43 and 44 and 45. So I'm going to do that right now. Here's 43, 44, 45 with separate bows. Ready, play. Go. So there's 43 and 44. I'm going to go to the next video to actually work on the slur.